Now we have example 2, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan square theta. So this expression or this equation can be quite confusing if you don't remember the perfect square. Remember in form 2 we learned that a plus b, a minus b is simply a square minus b square. You remember this? So a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So what do we have here? We simply have 1 square, so 1 square is just 1, minus cos square theta on the upper side. On the numerator, on the denominator, we have 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta is simply 1 square minus sin square theta. That's what it means. So it means that 1 square, so 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta. That's what it means. Again, we know what is this. 1 minus cos square theta is the same as sin theta. 1 minus cos square theta, you remember here? I started telling you that sin theta square times sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then I did this. Sin square theta is equal to 1. It means 1 minus cos theta. Cos square theta means 1 minus. So what does this mean? This means this is simply sin square theta. What about this? This one simply means cos square theta, right? What is sin square theta over cos square theta? It is tan theta square. It is tan square or tan theta square. So this one is tan theta square. And we were supposed to show that this equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta. Sin square theta. Very good. I hope you are enjoying this lesson.